Google Analytics tool and solution for your business. Do you want to increase the traffic to your website? However, I'm not sure where to start. Don't worry, the solution is to start with information and statistics, rather than making modifications based on your desires. The popularity of the internet has grown to the point that there are about 40 million sites that use Google Analytics. But many consumers are as uninformed as you are. So, today, I'll break down the most relevant information and advice to assist you in improving the performance and conversion rate of your website. Real buyers. You may utilize Google Analytics data to determine who is buying, who is just browsing, and who is browsing and then leaving. Cookies or referrer information can be used to keep track of all of these activities. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.